Alright, today we're going to paint this abstract style I call Metal Mayhem. Alright, the question of the day is, what is Cubism? Alright, let's run through the colors. Primary yellow, cad yellow, Mars black, titanium white, turquoise phthalo, phthalo green, ultramarine blue, quin blue, Van Dyke brown, raw sienna, quin red, quin orange, pearly red. Alright, we just got this done. We added some blue, turquoise, we got the yellow coming through, a lot of white coming through this color, and kind of what we're going to add is maybe a burnt orange and I think a yellow into this to really make that stand out against the blue. Alright, we just finished that layer with the red. We'll see where it goes from here if we need to add more. So Cubism was a art form that lived from like the 1910s to 1920s, and then it kind of sprung into multiple different versions after that: Purismo, Constructivism, Suprematism, de Stijl. So there's a lot of different forms out of Cubism after that. And I think Cubism was kind of a reaction towards photography, and also kind of birthed from the artwork of Cezanne, where he was breaking into shapes. And so they kind of took this form of cinema that was coming about where you had multiple shots of a person going around in 360 view, and they kind of broke that up and put different planes of the face, so you would show this side, this side, this side, the back side, all on one side of the canvas, so to say. And there was different versions. There was early Cubism, proto-Cubism, and one of the key members was Picasso, obviously, Georges Braque, Leger, and several other key members. But it was a very important key moment, and it kind of in a way led the way, so to say, towards World War I, and you could say in a way, because it kind of showed this broken canvas and it kind of showed the tension building within Europe. And that's the question of the day. 3, I think, check the colors. All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So we have this really nice, hold on, let me see if it's recording. Yeah. All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. All right, we have this really nice turquoise in the background here with the pure blue, mixing it with that yellow to make a nice green. Really nice kind of sky blue kind of colors with the orange kind of coming through there at the bottom. We have the yellow kind of pulling through, making blues. We got the nice kind of white streak coming through still with a little bit of orange. We have this really nice heavy mark of the blue on top. I like the colors in here. It's pretty well balanced. It's mostly blue with a pop of yellow. You know, maybe I need yellow on one of the left corners, but it's kind of interesting because it's kind of divided in two as far as color range. Has a nice blends across here. I really like the balance with the white to dark. I think is really good in this painting. It had the accidental black streak in there because I had that on my palette. I didn't realize, and I mixed it in, but I think it works overall because it kind of gives that really dark darkness in the painting, which you want a little bit of. And we added a couple of the lines to kind of make that pop. Overall, I think I like it. I'll give it a thumbs up, if even thumbs up and below if you want. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And if you want to see the full version, go to my Patreon site. I'll have that up later. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.